Hi friends, it's Becky Roberts with Inking Idaho. I have the April tiered tray kit from Idaho Custom Creations, and this month it's all about the bees. So you get a little beehive and the little scoop and 3 signs, 2 stands, and a banner for your tiered tray. So this is how it comes, as you've seen me do this in other months, and it's all compact and put together so that you know exactly what to paint. It's all stacked in, I say in order, but it's like just packaged so nice. So you know exactly what goes with what. That's what I'm trying to say. So the back of these are all taped on so that you can paint them directly onto this and then pull them out and put them on your project. The stands to put your signs on, just you paint them, you put them together like this, and then you put your little sign right in there. And then there's this little holder right here. So for the honey pot, after you paint this one, he just stands right up in here and stands up on his own. So he doesn't need one of these. And you have a beehive, you have 2 signs. These are the words you're going to paint, and this is custom engraved so that you know where to put the words when you get done. You have another little rectangle that has all kinds of bees and pieces and parts to it, little flowers. And then you have the 2 pieces to make the bees that go on your banner piece that ties around your tiered tray. And I think this is a honey dipper thing, and it comes with all the things you need to paint it. This is what the little kit comes with. So you have your sponges for painting, you have a super glue, the jute for your banner, the ribbon to tie up the little cups for your paint, and the paint is included. And then the freebie for this month is this really darling honey dipper. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of what it's really called, but you get the kit, which is the honey dipper and the 2 bees and a bow. And then she gives the address where you order the Glisten Paintless Dent Repair Kit sticks. And what they are these yellow hot glue sticks. You put them in your hot glue gun, you melt them, and you pour them all over your little guys. Isn't this so cute? I happen to have 2 of them here. So you get a package of 10, and it takes about, you can get about 3 of the little dippers out of one of these, because this has the little sections in it and takes up a little bit more than the solid ones. But they're so cute, so cute. So this is your free bee, get it, bees this month. And so that's your free one. Also in the store, she has these honeycomb pieces that you can paint up. And I have 7 of them that I am going to paint, and I'm going to put them in a jar or a basket or something in my tiered tray. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go paint, and I'll be back.